Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As we progress through the ABRSM Grade 6 Music Theory Workbook, looking at question 1A, we now look in particular at exercise 3, where we are required to allocate chords to a part song by Samuel Webb. The full lesson can be found on Patreon if you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, and you'll find the links in the cards and in the description box. In this lesson, we look at how to choose chords to suit a particular melody line. We choose chords which will best suit the cadence points, and we need to find those cadence points, of course. And we need to be careful that even though we're only writing Roman numerals, we need to be aware of what we're implying as we add those chords, and we need to observe certain rules of four-part harmony. All of these points of four-part harmony and more can be found in my textbook Harmony and Composition, which is available from Amazon, and you can find the links to that in the description box and in the cards also. Samples from this lesson will follow on after this little video. Enjoy your studies. Bye. First job perhaps is to look for any cadence points which we're going to expect to find at the end, of course, and probably halfway there's going to be a cadence point. We're going to want to establish our tonic harmonies, just to establish the key here. So we're going to want something quite straightforward, probably based around a chord 1. And we're just glancing through, so we're looking for B, C, D, D, C, B for the 3, 2, 1. And at first you think, well, I just can't see it. However, if you notice, we have 3, 2. That's going to be our imperfect cadence. Here we are. This is a part song, just out of interest. Now, Samuel Webb, he was quite prolific in writing lots of glee entertainment music, and oftentimes they were quite catchy and often quite coarse as well. And so it's going to romp along here at a fast pace. So I suggest we don't want anything too obscure, convoluted. However, that's just by way of interest, really, I think. And then, now we could have had a chord 1B here, but I think after this, it's the progression to go 1, C5, 1. And then here we've got the B flat repeated again, so let's have 1B again, just like we did here. And then we're going to be, so I'm just going to do that first. So let's stick to nice strong root position, nice strong finish. You know, it's a jaunty little song. Let's just keep it simple. So 5 to 1. So here we have F, A, C, that's a fifth, but then we've got an octave, B flat to B flat, so that's okay. And a nice chord to always precede a cadence is chord 2. Chord 2B is nice. That's a C, E, G. So let's see what we've got. B flat to D, that's a third, that's okay. E flat to C, that's okay, that's good.